The Xumo Stream Box, while no longer officially supported by Comcast, can be reset to resolve issues like software glitches or app malfunctions. A factory reset erases all personal data and installed apps, returning the device to its original state. This is especially useful for troubleshooting performance slowdowns or preparing the device for repurposing. Remember to back up any important data before proceeding, as this process is irreversible. While the Xumo service is discontinued, resetting allows continued use for third-party apps. There are two primary methods for factory resetting your Xumo Stream Box. First, if your remote is functional, simultaneously press and hold the home and down arrow buttons for 5 to 7 seconds until a reset confirmation screen appears. If your remote is unresponsive, locate the physical buttons on the Stream Box, usually on the side or bottom. Hold the power button and volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until the reset screen appears. Confirm via on-screen prompts. The device will restart and display the initial setup screen upon completion. Post-reset, ensure a stable internet connection for setup.